Guys, this is Chaitanya. Today I'm going to discuss about basic configurations for Java Selenium. So initially I will explain how to download Java, how to configure it with environment variables. So once I click on Java downloads, here in this page, I can able to see the latest version of Java 19 and 17 is there. So Java 19 I can able to choose here. So further, based on my operating system compatibility, I can able to select here. So I am currently using Windows. If anyone use Mac OS and Linux, they can able to get it from here. After that, once I select Windows, here MSI installer is there. Once I click here, it is automatically download that MSI installer for Java. Okay. So I have already installed. So once it is done, once it is downloaded, it's done. You can able to check in the folders. Under the C folders, you can able to see here under program files, here Java, under here. You can able to see this Java, it's already downloaded. So after downloading, we need to do set up as the environment variables. So environment variables, if you need to set up here, so we need to click on this PC, right click there. Here, properties, under properties, advanced system settings, under environment variables, we need to select. After that, we can able to see here user variables, system variable. So first, let me explain about system variable, how it will be configured. So once we click on new, we have a two fields here. One is a variable name and variable value. Variable name, we can able to give any name. Java home, I will give example. So the variable value is the particular location of the Java folder. Suppose I can able to focus here. So under program files, Java. Once I open the Java folder, this folder path I need to copy. And I need to paste here. Once I click on here, OK, automatically the variable it will be added here. So I have already done so. Here I will showcase here Java home C program Java already it is added. So same likewise user variables also we need to add. So once we click new, I'll give name as Java and Java variable. We can open whichever we opened before folder. It's the same Java folder. So I'll open now bin folder. Under bin folder, I will copy this folder path after opening the bin folder. Okay. So I will copy this path. Okay. Once I click on OK, it will be saved. So already I have done. So it is showing like this. So simple guys here, Java home system variable, we need to copy the folder path for Java. Okay. So in user variable means bin folder, under bin folder location path we need to add it. That's it. Once this setup is done, I'll click OK and here OK and I'll close this window. Everything I'll close it. I will check whether the Java it is installed or not in my system. I can go to command prompt cmd. Here I can write Java space hyphen version. So once I click this command, I can able to see the version of Java. So now currently I install 1.8.0 version. So now in my system install Java. Okay. After installation Java, we need to download Eclipse desktop application. Eclipse. So I'll go to open Eclipse downloads here. I can get this. Once click on here, download 64-bit browser, it will be shown here. I will click. Let it be open another page. Here this application, most of 64-bit processor compatibility only it is supported. Some of old applications they are using 32-bit processor system, they are using some of the people's old configuration systems. It won't be supported for Eclipse. So as of now, it will be supported only for 64-bit processor. So once we click here, download, it is automatically download that application. So after downloading application, we need to download some of Selenium standalone servers. So let it be open initially that Eclipse application. So once download is completed, after installing that Eclipse desktop application in my system, I can able to open here from here. So initially need to select that location path. Why we are using here means once we select this location path, all Java projects whichever create the projects, it will be saved in this folder. So I selected here C Tel. So it is opened. So already existing project is there. I will delete this existing projects. So once open this Eclipse desktop application, needs to click on create Java project. I will give the name demo 123. So finished. The folder has created. So under this folder, I need to configure with Java. Java whenever if I want to automate any application, I need to configure with the Selenium standalone server. Here under build path, configuration build path is there. Here already is there. I will remove and I'll add it here. So here under libraries, we need to select libraries. We know we cannot able to save in any other folder, source, project, module, dependencies. We cannot able to store there. Only we need to select libraries only. Once click on libraries, select class path. After select the class path, add external JAWS, we need to click. So once we click add external JAWS, we can able to see already downloaded this Selenium standalone server. We need to select and click on OK and apply and close. Okay. So after that, after configured with the Java Selenium standalone server, one of the new folder referenced libraries folder created. We can open here. We can able to check the Selenium standalone server application. It is configured with this Java project. Now I will show you how to download that Selenium standalone server. We need to open here selenium.dev page. Click here downloads. Under downloads, system server grid latest stable version 4.7.1 is there. Once we click here, it is automatically download that application Selenium standalone server, whichever I shown, right, that is downloaded. Okay. After that, once it is downloaded, we need to scroll down a little bit. Under browser support, platforms supported by Selenium. Selenium supported this all browsers: Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Chrome, and Edge. Suppose if you want to automate any web applications in particular browsers, for example, if I want to automate my web applications in Opera, I need to download this documentation file. So currently I am using Chrome browser. I am going to download these documentations. Once I click Chrome, here I can able to see two things. One is latest beta release, latest stable release. We need to download latest stable release. Now it means here it is showing 108 point, this is a version number it is showing. We need to check which version browser we are currently using. So I will select here the three vertical lines. Here help. After that, I will click on about Google Chrome. Here I can able to see that version of that browser 1080535999. So here the stable version it is a showing 108.535971. So you will get one doubt here. So 108.5359.71 is there. Whenever check here, 5359.99 is there. There is a slight difference in that version build, right? You will get it like that out. So no worries. Initially 108 we will take. So it can able to down we can able to download it. It is supported for run the automation. So once I click here, it will open this page. I can able to see some more options here. So this is for Linux and this is for Mac OS 64-bit processor. Based on my operating system compatibility, I can able to select here, but here showing Chrome driver Windows 32 chip. So this is supported for 64-bit processor applications also. So don't confuse here why it is Windows 32. I'm using 64-bit like that. Some people will think. So don't worry. So 64-bit applications also it will be supported this 32-bit application. So once I click here, some of files it will be downloaded. So once I click here, automatically it will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, I can able to go folders. After I will extract. Already I downloaded. I will showcase one more time. Extract this file in in here folder path, whichever you required here. So if you want to store in C drive, you can able to browse. You can select C drive and you can select folder. You can extract these things here, or else you can extract anywhere else, any folders you can able to extract there. Okay. So I'll extract here in this download folders only. So for yeah, see now the Chrome driver documentation has downloaded. After downloaded, we need to use for automation perspective. I have explained in previous video. Okay. So this is the basic configuration. I'll repeat one more time. The very first one is Java JDK. We needs to download it, and the Eclipse desktop tool we need to download. And further that Selenium standalone server we need to download, and we need to configure with it. And supported documentation browser file needs to download. This is a four configurations is it required to automate any application in automation testing perspective. That's it guys. Thank you.